Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to visit a place named Brierfield Ironworks Historical State Park in Birmingham City, Alabama State, United States of America. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. Brierfield Ironworks Historical State Park is a beautiful setting that preserves the ruins of an important Confederate industrial complex. The Brierfield facility provided high-quality iron that factory workers in Selma used to cast cannon and built ironclad vessels like the C.S.S. Tennessee. As a result, the ironworks along Furnace Creek played a critical part in the Confederate war effort, especially during the final years of the war between the states. The ironworks got their start in 1862 when a group of private investors started the Bibb County Iron Company. Initially serving local customers with a need for iron, the Brierfield furnace soon began supplying iron for the Confederate government. The iron produced by the operation proved to be of perfect quality for use in casting heavy cannon. The Confederate government attempts to contract for 100% of the output of the ironworks, but the owners declined. This led to a government takeover of the Brierfield Ironworks in 1863, and the facility quickly became known as the Bibb Naval Furnaces. Supervised by Major W. R. Hunt of the C.S. Niter and Mining Bureau, workers at Brierfield soon added a second furnace and rolling mill. The government-built furnace was 40 feet tall and produced high-quality iron for delivery to Selma, Alabama, where it was used to cast heavy brook cannon and plating for Confederate ironclads. Please click here to see a brook cannon and photos of the Selma-built ironclad C.S.S. Tennessee. The Brierfield Ironworks operated on a large scale until March 31, 1865, when they were targeted as part of Wilson's raid through Alabama and Georgia. Having already destroyed the ironworks at today's Tan Hill Historical State Park near Birmingham, along with other iron production facilities in the region, the Union troops of Major General James H. Wilson pushed south and occupied Montevallo, Alabama. Colonel Frederick Benteen was sent with the 10th Missouri Cavalry to demolish the operation at Brierfield. Arriving within view of the ironworks, Benteen and his men found them defended by a regiment of Confederate cavalry from the command of General Philip D. Roddy. The Union colonel ordered an immediate attack, opening what is remembered as the skirmish or Battle of Brierfield Ironworks. The fighting did not last long as the 10th Missouri broke the Confederate line and quickly took possession of the ironworks and other facilities. As Confederate troops watched from the distance, the Brierfield operation went up in flames. The Bibb Naval Ironworks would cast no more iron for the Confederacy. The facilities were rebuilt after the war and operated for a time under the direction of Josiah Gorgas, the Confederacy's former chief of ordnance. The company failed, but Gorgas would go on to become president of the University of Alabama. Another company took over and Brierfield again produced iron until the furnaces went cold for the last time in 1894, replaced by facilities in Birmingham. The site today is a beautiful state park that also features other historic buildings, cabins, picnic areas, walking trails, a lodge, camping and much more. Brierfield Ironworks Historical State Park is located at 240 Furnace Parkway in Brierfield, Alabama, and is just off Highway 25 between Montevallo and Centerville. Admission is $4 for adults, $3 for seniors and children 6 to 11. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next place of Birmingham City, Alabama, United States of America.